Putting straps in the way. Good morning! Today we are doing Sa Calobra. So we're having a very steady climb up to it, like really steady. And then we're gonna have a good old smash fest up it. Weather is gorgeous again, beautiful scenery again, and yeah, excited to have a go at it again. Good view, innit?
It's amazing.
Just switchbacks for days. And so now we are just heading up, climbing up to the to the top of Sa Calobra. Then we're going to descend and then climb back up. So just nothing else to report, just that it's lovely weather, it's lovely roads, lovely climbing. Just lovely, all around lovely. Oh, yes. That's Jay, Ben and Dave, and I'm waiting, I want to get a picture of them, so I'm going to hopefully wait till these cars have gone and get an amazing photograph of them climbing up. Come on, cars. Just look at that. I mean, just look at that. I love this climb so much, but the descent, I just think it just looks so spectacular. Absolutely love it. One of the main things that I would say about the descent is that there were so many cyclists taking ridiculous risks on bends. Obviously it's so bendy and there are coaches and there are cars and there are so many cyclists, but what's the point of taking such dangerous risks? There were people cutting other cyclists up, cutting cars up even on the bends, and it was just, I couldn't believe it. I'm just like, come on people, like just be careful. There are people there that don't want to be cut up by idiot cyclists that are just trying to race down. It's not a race, you're on a climb in Mallorca, you're not getting paid to do this, so just be respectful of other cars, of other cyclists. That is all I would say. If you are going to be there, just be careful, because there are idiots there that are trying to race and are trying to impress their mates, so just be careful is what I would say on the descent. Just done our effort up Sa Calobra, which was it was a PB, I think. Did it 44 3 seconds. Like one of the lads that we're with, Richard, did it in 32 minutes. He's an absolute beast on the climb. I'm just going to stop, have a quick drink, maybe get some orange juice, get some water, refuel, and then carry on. God, many amazing cyclists. I just love these views. Look at this. I know I keep showing you, that's all I keep showing you, but what else am I going to show you? You'd rather see views than my face. Look at that. Woohoo! Let's go back.